All right, good morning, everyone. Taking a look today at Jake's CBD Bold Brew coffee pouches. These have 250 milligrams bold spectrum CBD. Look at that. There's their ingredients: coffee, organic sunflower oil, organic and natural flavors, glycerin, menthospicta, tea-free CBD distillate, and xylitol. These are 100% tobacco and nicotine free. And I do love the fact that there is a best by date on the bottom. So we'll open these up here. There they are. So we'll do a full review here on the site after I take a look at them or give them a try. Jake's CBD Bold Brew. Stay tuned.